So we bought the apartment in June, a little over 3 years ago, and when we bought it, the overall standard was not new, but everything was fresh and we didn't have so much to comment about. We think that the flooring in most of the apartment was rather new then, not so old anyway, except for in the kitchen and maybe the small toilet. But I can show you what has happened now. And this is the kitchen. There are a few cracks in the floor also here, but I think those were also there when we bought them. We said that we will probably redo the kitchen, so it's not something that we took notice about. We haven't been able to be here so much, so we don't really know when these problems has occurred, but sometime before when we bought from when we bought it and to now. So now we have a lot of cracks going through all of the rooms, mainly in one side of the apartment. So we can start with the small bedroom, the smallest bedroom. So we have starting up from the window down on the wall and also on the floor, all the way over the floor to the other side. We have cracks. And in the next bedroom it's the same, starting from the window and in the floor all the way across the floor. This crack actually goes all the way to the other side of the apartment, through this room, through the next room, which is the bathroom. So in the bathroom you can't really see it here. You can see some cracks on the floor, and also here it's starting to crack in the wall in the bathroom. And this crack we can actually see at the other side of the wall also. So we're going into the bedroom. You have that same crack in the wall here that goes out to the end of the wall and across the wall. And it actually goes here all the way up in the ceiling. This is gonna be hard to see with the phone, but the crack actually goes over the ceiling to the other side of the room. And if you go down, follow the crack down, wait to see there. Follow it down to the ceiling, and to the floor, and actually it goes over the whole floor, under the bed, comes out on the other side there, and goes to the other side of the apartment. So this crack goes from one side of the apartment through the big bedroom, the toilet and bathroom, and through the middle-sized bedroom on the other side, pretty straight through all three rooms. When we bought the apartment, we didn't have a chance to look at the flooring on the balcony because they were renewing the balcony, so everything was covered. We noticed these cracks when we moved in, so we thought that maybe they broke it when they redid the balcony, but we don't know. In the living room we haven't found any cracks, so it's basically one side of the apartment that is really bad. There we have one crack from one side to the other side. And the scary thing that's happened now, we have actually heard the tiles crack while we have been here. So every now and then you hear a loud clicking noise when one of the tiles crack, and then you can see some of the stone material from the tiles on the sides of the crack. So it's like the flooring is like in tension or something. So this is pretty much it. We should have shown this to some architect that should have been coming here the day before yesterday, but he didn't come. Some guys from the community said that he would come, but he didn't come. Oh, here's another crack also through the floor. So we really need help with this. We don't know what to do, and it feels very unsafe to know that the floor in the apartment and the walls are starting to crack. This is something that is really we need to pay attention to this now, I think, because we are scared that it's going to be worse. So I will edit this and give to the community and also to the Skandia Mäklarna who helped us buy the apartment. Thank you very much for watching.